Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. We are not just looking ahead a few months, but fast forwarding to 2026. The AI landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and what seemed like science fiction yesterday is today's groundbreaking innovation. Get ready as we unveil the most anticipated, game-changing AI tools set to redefine how we live, work, and create in just a couple of years. The future is closer than you think. First up, imagine hyper-personalized AI assistants far beyond current chatbots. In 2026, your AI won't just answer questions, it'll proactively manage your entire digital life. Predicting needs, optimizing schedules, even anticipating health requirements based on real-time data. These intelligent companions will learn your nuances, offering truly bespoke support, becoming indispensable copilots for daily productivity and well-being. Next, prepare for autonomous creative suites. Moving past simple image generation, 2026 AI will craft entire marketing campaigns, compose full symphonies, or design complex architectural blueprints from a few prompts. These tools will augment human creativity exponentially, democratizing high-level production and allowing artists, designers, and marketers to achieve unprecedented output with sophisticated, context-aware AI partners. The scientific realm will see monumental shifts with advanced AI for discovery. Imagine AI models sifting through petabytes of research data, accelerating drug development, material science, and climate modeling. These tools won't just analyze, they'll hypothesize, simulate, and propose novel solutions to humanity's most complex challenges, drastically shortening discovery cycles and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge faster than ever. Our daily environments will become truly intelligent. Smart homes and cities in 2026 will feature AI that anticipates your needs, not just reacts. From optimizing energy consumption based on predictive weather and occupancy, to enhancing urban safety with real-time anomaly detection, AI will weave seamlessly into our infrastructure. This pervasive intelligence promises a more efficient, safer, and remarkably intuitive living experience for everyone. With such powerful tools emerging, the focus on ethical AI and trust will be paramount. 2026 will see robust frameworks ensuring transparency, fairness, and security. Explainable AI will become standard, allowing users to understand decision-making processes. Safeguards against bias and misuse will be built into the core, fostering public confidence and ensuring these incredible innovations serve humanity responsibly and equitably. There you have it, a glimpse into the incredible AI tools of 2026. The pace of innovation is breathtaking,